We are about to go live on YouTube and we are live on TikTok. Good deal, good deal. So you are at YOLO Hour. If you don't know what YOLO Hour is, hit the mute on Bloomberg. YOLO Hour is where we just chase rockets. We literally YOLO into rockets. We hit the FOMO button real hard, and we just like to see nice green candles moving straight up. That's it, going parabolic. We like what we do. It is not financial advice. It is, you can and will lose money. In fact, it is the opposite way to trade. You should never trade like this, but we're trying to bring a little bit of Vegas back to you because a lot of us cannot go to Vegas, including me, which is real sad because I like it. I like Vegas. I do. I don't know. I'm sure there are people that don't, but I'm not one of those. So with that being said, you see the screen. I use Robinhood to find the rockets, and I use Webull to paper trade because I've got wash sale rules that kind of throw me off a little bit, especially my taxes. So that's kind of how we roll. And with that being said, I want to say hello to TikTok. How you doing, guys? You're going to see a lot. It should be a lot of rockets today. We'll see. The market is grinding up. Market's grinding up, guys. We may see some turnups real quick. So as we move through here, I will talk our way through it. DWAC is up 95%. It was up 114. I saw it up almost 140. So it may have, we've got that one. We also got Fun. Fun is up again to $8.91. Now remember, PHUN has gone to 500 before. So it's a little software company out of Austin. By the way, they helped Trump a little bit too, in I believe in 2018. So, sorry, 2020. So funds up 500%. Interesting how Trump is affecting the markets still. All right, here we go. Bitcoin is down, so all your mining stocks are going to be down. We're going to have a lot of red on the screen. There's going to be a lot of blood. I'm not going to lie to you. Going to be a lot of blood. I will tell you what's working for me is my crude stocks and my financials are working for me today very, very well. Bros is up. What is up? Nice. Yeah, you can see that they restricted my account since I moved all that money off of Robinhood. Now I can't actually buy, even if I wanted to, on Robinhood if I wanted to. In fact, they won't even let me buy options. Sorry, suckers. And I should get at least 3 trades. Apparently not. So it is what it is, and could care less, really. All right, so people ask me all the time, what do you use? TD Ameritrade is what I use. So, all right, we're moving. Let me turn up the lamp here, get a little brighter so you can see my face, so we can meet again for the, I don't know, the 105th time. Look at RKLB grinding hard, now gone positive. We're going to see a lot of that today. Going to see a lot of that today. That was really cool. FORR grinding up 2% today. We'll see what else is. Cody, COTY, we saw it yesterday, pump. Looks like it's turning over. It's still up 2%. CME grinding. It's slow grind, only up 1.5%. Let's move down here through here pretty quickly. We may have to start with some grinders as far as what we're buying because we're just not going to see a lot initially. We are going to see grinders, but they're going to be grinding from a position of negativity, from the negative. There you go. That's my that's my 6th grade English coming through. My mom would be happy. She taught English for 20 years. Corrects me all the time. As we move through here, not seeing big ups yet. We could get on. Let's just see what FUNE's doing. A little fun. People like to have the fun. It's on the jokes on Reddit are ridiculous. Legit. FUN. Yeah, you can, there it goes. It popped in. So it is making lower lows. So we're not going to jump on that one. That would be a dumb ass move. So we're not going to do that. Look at GLNG. Now this is Liquid natural gas. Liquid natural gas, it wants to run. That's YOLO natural gas. We've called them out several times over the past 6 months. They have had a number of insiders that have traded them, meaning they've bought stock, and we saw the insider trades and we called it out. I'm pretty sure we probably made a little bit of money on some of those calls because we're at 72% on the first day calls. So as we move through here, HRTX hard. Turning down though, turning down. Don't like the turn down. Let me move through here fairly quickly. Got to make your eyes bleed. That's what happens in YOLO. We got to make your eyes bleed or we're really not playing the game. We got to move through over 500 stocks, and then when the YouTube gets cranked up, look out. It is owned like Donkey Kong, if you know what I mean. So we're moving. B-Cell up 4% and holding gains. Nice to see. GTHX, it's a grind. It's up 3. HRTX, we just talked about it in a grind. CERE is in a grind as well. Let's see if we can't find some rockets. AVTE. AVT, I'm going to jump on it. I don't think it's got the volume. It does not. AVT, it shouldn't hurt us. But we're going to jump on it. We're going to try to get a little wacky with it. We are buying 50 shares and we're moving. Going back to the top, moving through here now as quickly as we can to get to the bottom. So when you, what was that one? Oh, look at XCUR wanting to, it's got to clear the tower. It's also got to go positive. It has not gone positive today at all. Well, and it's not the only stock. It's so funny how the micro is affected by the macro. I say it almost every day. It literally, so now we're seeing stocks grind up from, 3, 4, 5, 6% down because that's what the macro did. Look at CERE. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Look at SYTK. SYTK is grinding up. It's still not a rocket. We got some grinders. Again, grinders are good. We like the grinders. Grinders are very good because they're easily traded. You can trade in and out of those and know that you're making money. Clearly, you got to watch whatever you watch, the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, whatever it is, the 2-minute chart, the 5-second chart, whatever. You get the point. Shout out to TradingView. That's who I use. Robinhood is a non-player on the technical part. We do technical analysis. We do a lot of trend analysis as well. I'm going to look at this really quick before people jump on here. Why is my computer down? I want to make sure it's up. Okay, it is up. Okay, good deal. Want to make sure I wasn't hacked. You never want to get hacked. So there you go. We are hitting it hard now. Let's go. Let's go. Looking through here hard. Fold, grinding up hard. Just went positive, up 30. Half a percent is all. But that's really not the key though. The key is that it's grinding hard. It could go parabolic. We are waiting for that move. Typically, we have to wait. And once again, guys, let's go, Joseph. Good to see you, brother. Glad you're here. I've gone to the bottom. I'm seeing a lot of green. I'm not seeing a lot of green that's going to turn into rockets, though. Now, I am seeing a lot of green. A lot of red that's grinding up, but clearly it's got to go positive, and then it's got to clear the tower if it started positive for the day. But I could see that. I could see towards the end of YOLO Hour, we could seriously see some rockets start popping off, right? Hadn't seen one yet. CYTK, give me back. I'm going to go with CYTK. I don't think it's going to hurt me here. CYTK, not a rocket. Don't really like the non-rockets, but I will jump in there. I did not get a fill on the other one. Wonder why on the first stock that we had, which it was just a grinder, so I'm not really pissed off about that. Webull's starting to have a little bit more slippage too. I think a lot more people are using Webull now than the Robinhood. And now that we're getting into stock season, look out, right? Stock season, told y'all before, November through January, right? The end of January, that's the best season for stocks. Clearly, it's also the best season for Bitcoin. If you've been in Bitcoin, which would then lend to the fact that it's the best season for alts as well. Fun had the rocket both ways. Fun and DWAC have been halted so many times, it's insane. Like, I know DWAC was halted like 14 times a day, up and down. So, and it was halted yesterday. The funny thing about this is, what people might not know about Fun, if you're just joining right now, Fun is actually a technology company. It's an 11-year-old technology company, extremely small. They're going to be delisted by NASDAQ, and they helped Trump in the 2020 campaign. So the thought is people are jumping in on that too, right? Yeah, halter. I agree with the halts down, but the halts up. Let it run. You know what I really disagree with? Worse than halts is the dark pools, right? If somebody's buying $100 million of stock, of a stock, why is the market not privy to that? Most ridiculous thing. Once I got into stocks heavy and then started to look at dark pools like 4 years ago, like, what are we doing? Like, even a sell, people like we're all big boys here, right? There's so many disclaimers going around. Again, this is not financial advice, right? I'm just spouting off here as I usually do. It's Friday, so I'm probably gonna spout off more. But the dark pools has got to stop. The insider trading of congressional members needs to stop. I mean, those dudes, first of all, they're already rich. That's one. Number two is that they're getting in before. They know exactly what they're. It's just funny to me how they'll stop the Fed from trading, but yet when it comes to Congress members trading, there is no rule against that. There actually is rules against it, but guess what? They never even prosecute and never even bring it up. You want to know why? Because they all do it. It's like what the hell? What's up, Dominic? Good to see you, brother. Every time there's very few halts have I seen halts on the way up that don't turn the stock around. That's what I get mad about. So got a bad fill on CYTK. It's only 50 shares. CERE is grinding. What's it done? Look at that trend. CERE is a good stock, boys and girls. We're going to continue. I mean, on a day like this, you really got to watch the stocks that are still popping off a little bit, right? Grinding up. Literally, look at RDUS. Now, it's turning over, but on days like this, and crypto's the same way. On days like this, when the majority of stocks are down, and you've got stocks popping off, unless there's a big catalyst behind it, what's up, right? That's probably a good stock. Just telling you. One of the bucks, look at BKKT, backed. That is that's the crypto one. That's got a little crypto in it. That's up 17%, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't even know that was on my watch list here. That was a SPAC that swallowed up Bakkt. Bakkt is a crypto trading platform owned by, I want to say, the CME. So, which I believe owns the New York Stock Exchange. It either owns the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ, one of the two. So there you go. It's all interrelated, you know. But the dark pool is what pisses me off. Look at Frey, guys. Frey is about to run. Frey ran yesterday, just didn't run far enough for me. Damn thing got like 1%. Turns back. I'm down 30 to start. What am I starting now at? I'm back to even. That's better than yesterday. I was down 140 yesterday. So do not do what I do, right? Again, not fine. But if I'd have stuck with the stock, look at Kayla. That's a strong. That's how strong is that today? 2 million. It's not in a. It's funny. It's not turning yet. So hey, Dominic, Joseph, Atil, if you guys see anything, let me know. Let me know. Walker, if you join or you're listening along, CME is just it's a slow grind. It looks like it's a big grind though. The Rockets we ought to see pretty easily, as there's a lot of red on the screen as we move through here. We need to get excited about something. Come on, let's find that magic. We're about to find some magic. I think Frey might be the magic we're looking. In fact, we're gonna. Is it clear? Oh yeah, let's go Frey. No, yesterday, if you remember, Frey did a little head fake on us. We lost about $30. I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go. I'm not saying balls deep here, but I am going 100 shares. So I'm gonna watch the Frey. It can run now. It cleared the tower at 144. It's now at 10, which is a psychological barrier. All round numbers are psychological barriers. I'm sure if you trade stocks, you already know that. You know, just like your trend lines, just like your SMAs, you know, just like your whatever else, your relative strength, you can include that in there as well. So again, if the relative strength, that's one thing I wish we had. I need to find a better platform. One is I just like to get completely away from Robinhood. I hate Robinhood. Now, again, Robinhood is a crypto platform. Let's be clear. It's a crypto platform. That's where they make literally 70% of their money comes from crypto. Hence, that's why they've got a wallet. The wallet apparently has got a 1 million person wait list on the hood. So I'm not really, you know, at one point Robinhood was impressive. CRXT, nice. CRXT. Let's look. Kimberly, what are you doing to me here, bro? What are you doing? That is a stock going the wrong way, playa. OCGN is, let's see. OCGN, it is going the right way. The problem with this, it's still in the red. It's got to clear the tower. Clearly, it has not cleared the tower. 818. It's still on that 818. Keep an eye. Let's keep an eye. You know what? I'll hit the OCGN for 10 shares right now. Just keep an eye on it. Clearly, it's going to grind. What happened to Frey? Same exact thing as yesterday on a smaller scale. Head fake. Good God, I'm already down $4. OCGN and Frey, I'm going to take it back down. We're going to sell 90, baby. I'm going to take you back down to 10 shares so you cannot hurt or damage me today. Now, if it starts going parabolic and it goes green, we know. The deal with the green is once it goes positive, it hits the scanners. Don't ask me why, but yeah, there's this rule of thumb when you scan. If it's a positive stock, the scanners pick it up. It's a negative stock. It's not. I'm sure you can pick it up somehow, some way, but for big movers and things of that sort, it's got to be a positive stock, right? So, and if somebody knows a secret of stocks popping off and how you can scan for that, like has moved 5% in the last 2 minutes, right? That would be nice to know. There's no scanner that actually does that. I'm sure there is. Just not a scanner that I know of, or not a switch that I know of. Look at STEP grinding hard, 2.5 today. Nice for the step bulls, stepping out. Frey, you're not gonna get me today. Look at SXTC's fully parabolic. Morning wood going hard. Boom. I'm not gonna go balls deep yet. Look at that candle. Good God. Let's see if we can get a good fill here. Let's get a good fill, and we'll be off to a really good start. That was a hell of a move. I mean, seriously. It's a China pharma. It's a hell of a move down too. I just got let's see what the minute chart's got. Minute chart's got a red candle as well. I need that wick to get longer on the bottom, and it is doing that. So how are we down 590? CYTK is now going sideways. I don't need you anyway. Frey is not going to hurt me. OCGN. We're going to buy some, actually going to buy some more OCGN. Going to pop off 100 on OCGN as it continues to climb. Nice green 2-minute candles. SXTC, not sure what it's doing. What are you doing to me, brother? I'm going to hold on to it. That was my problem yesterday. I didn't hold on long enough, but those were two stocks. That was the fun and the DWAC, right? By the way, DWAC is up 100 but grinding down. Just letting you know if you're in DWAC, right? And I'm sure some of you guys are. DWAC was the play today. Fun was the play. Again, they're both. It's so funny. I just could not believe what I was reading when they're both legit fun. Trump related, right? In fact, I think they did some advertising for Trump in 2020 campaign. That's all I know. But they are related in some form or fashion, right? So there you go. It's also an Austin-based firm too. Step still grinding. Frey, I keep calling out your name. SXTC still looks like it's or going parabolic. It's got the morning wood. It's got the rocket ship. We've jumped on, so we'll just see what it does. It is, damn, I'm down in everything. I'm down 950 real quick. And OCGN got was that OCGN? On the 1 minute OCGN is, well, okay, good. That was Frey. Frey, I'm afraid you just got to go. I can't stand the head fake. What else you guys got? Kimberly, give me something good, man. Give me something that's at least grinding up. Could go parabolic. HRTX, I thought was that, but now it's directly sideways. Kayla could run at any time. KALA, if you did not know, if you're playing there at home, it could absolutely run. What's that one? CYTK, we've talked about it. It's just in a slow grind. It looks like it's a big grind, but it's a slow grind. Up only 1.5. It looks like it's up 6%. But that's how Robinhood wants you to think about it. Boy, I'm seeing there's OCGN. OCGN's trying. I'll give it that. It's not a rocket, but we may jump in. If it clears, it goes positive. Look out, because then the scanners will look at it. All right, we are at the end of the rope. I called STSA was the call from last night. It was up in pre-market, like it started at 6, went to 8, and then opened up at 3% up, and then 2%, 1%, goes negative, comes back to about 2%, and then, so it's a win, but it's not a great win, right? It's kind of one of those, kind of a Hail Mary type of wins, right? You just kind of threw it up and somebody just came down with it in the right spot. Oh my gosh, China has screwed me again. Going the wrong way, China. SXTC, I gotta get out. Gotta get out. Now, the thing about, I could short that. I don't even know if I got out. Did I sell? There we go. I might be short that thing now. We'll see. So it did the pivot and the pullback. Today, if something's selling off, can you blame them? Literally, can you blame any stock for selling off today, right? By the way, let's look at the macro. Macro is now, it was grinding up. Now it's directionally sideways. Don't like to see that. MARK, it's good. It's a good name. Remark Holdings. Look at that bad boy. Oh, did we miss it? That thing went 40%. Oh my gosh, I missed it. I'm gonna add that one. How did we miss at 210? It goes off 40%. Good gosh. Unbelievable. Very nice to see. All right. Got to push through here. Now let's bros. Bro. That's a coffee shop, by the way. Got about 450 locations. And I hear where their locations are. They're actually RKLB. We've seen them before, and it will run. I don't think it was good to us last time, but we're going to go balls deep. We're not going to go balls deep. OCGN playa. Who had the OCGN? Dominic, thank you very much. You might get the hat today if OCGN can sustain. AVTE popping off a little bit too. Love to see it. Yeah, I did short that thing. I need to come back, get out of that trade. All right. All right, let's see what RKLB can do. We are up $4. I don't know how. It's just up 10. Now I'm up 4. I get I booked some losses. What are we doing on OCGN's 1 minute? It's still a green candle. We're going to stay with it. RKLB, nice. Love to see it. That may actually continue to run. By the way, RKLB has been a fairly good stock. I want to say the last month, or we've seen it a lot. Don't be like me today. Take your profits. Yeah. I took profits yesterday way too soon. It didn't work out because towards the end I was literally doubling up to catch up. I was going balls deep at 500 shares a pop. That did not work out. Literally with like 10 minutes left, if you guys were here, and it was, you know, hell of a lot of fun. But I lost 140. I think that's the third most that I've lost in YOLO. So yeah, don't be me. Yeah, well, don't be me. Don't lose money. That rule number 1. Don't lose money. Rule number 2. See number 1. Right. I think Buffett was the first one to say that. So that's why you always hear the cut losses early. And let your winners run. But when you got a lot of chop like today, are you really going to let them run that far? Because you want a little bit of profit, right? And see, OCGN has gone back on me, and I was up. Now I'm down. Rocket Labs, not doing much for me. AVTE, it's you know, I'm going to close it out and take what I can get there. And then now we just got to worry about what OCGN is doing, and it's gone the wrong way, playa. You're going the wrong. Oh, it's 2 candles now. Damn it. Well, I'm just down. Should be as soon as I get out of this. Only going to be down $5, down $3, down $4. Excuse me. Excuse my absentee math. It did not follow me to the office today. My mom often tells me that as well. What do we see today in crypto? Just so you know, we did look at CYTK, guys. Hang on a second. Boy, it's a slow grind, though. It's only up 1 point. It looks like it's up huge, but it's not. Look at that MARK again. Yeah, it's done a full drawdown. Well, not a full, but it's definitely done the pivot, pull back, and now it's in a drawdown for sure. All right, moving back through here again, we see Fulcrum wants to run, but it's got a lot of CME. See, that looks like why wouldn't you want to get in? My gosh, is it going to make me get in? CME, now it's not moving much. CME. Going to do this. I am going to go balls deep in this because I don't think it's moving much. Literally, it's not. And Rocket Labs has done completely. Yeah, everything. Once we jump on it, we see we got a good feel in the CME group. Although it's not going to move far. Rocket Labs, should I stay with it? Let me see the 1 minute. It says stay with it, so I'm going to stay with it. The 5 minute. Of course, it's gonna be green. All right, we'll stick it out because you know what? We got nothing else popping off unless y'all AVAAN on it. Avante does not have. Oh, it's got enough volume. AVAN. We're in. We're going big from the start. Got to buy though. Boom. Let's go. All right, CME. What just got a bad fill, but about 500 shares though. So Rocket Lab is not being my rocket man. Come on, I'm gonna stick with you. AVT I don't know why we can't get out of it. It's stuck at 350, so it's not terrible. Avante, I need to add that to my list. Thank you very much. PM, how are you, brother? Good to see you. Missed you the last couple days. I guess you were working. Either that's number one. Number two, you probably just forgot about us. That would be B. But we're just glad you're here today. We're not seeing a lot pop off, but we are seeing FRSX. Sorry, FRSX. I missed it. Foresight. Ooh, that's actually a good one, man. Look at the 2 o'clock. We missed the 2 o'clock, and it went 6% in the 2. Although it had not cleared the tower though, so that I would not have got. But I am adding that to my list too. Boom. That's why the list is so long. So you see them pop off. Thank you, Dominic. Keep your eye on this. If it clears 333, we're on it. So it's a true penny stock. Got plenty of volume today. It's 7 million shares traded today. I think DWAC had 400 million shares traded yesterday. The most by a SPAC. So CME should be popping off now. There we go. We're up 60. That's what I'm talking about. Boom! That is a good Friday. We're at 58. We're buying pizza for everybody today. Now AVT, look, I appreciate the contribution, but get off of my P&L. Rocket Lab, thank you for your contribution. Not gonna get rid of you just yet. CME hanging in there with you. You just keep going up. We can take a big down. Now that's 500 shares I jumped in. So the market value of the 500 shares was $109,000 to make 70. Now you tell me, was the risk reward there good? Absolutely freaking not. So, and Rocket Labs is still moving. I'm gonna stick with them. You know, that's what I gotta do today. Yesterday I didn't stick with them. Lost out on a lot of alpha. So we're gonna continue to move through here. My eyes are already freaking bleeding, and the screen's pumped up. You know, SXTC has completely turned back and is in a drawdown now. The big pivot. One of the nasty words on this channel is the pivot. Looking like we're seeing a little bit more green. PLXP ran for us a little bit yesterday. CVM is a good stock. Is CVM the energy stock? I believe it might be. CYTK grinding, but it's a slow grind. Gotta have that slow grind. What else? God, there's a lot of stuff just headed straight freaking down. The portfolio, though, coming back. That's financials and the crude. Although yesterday I got down 500, I fought back to about 150 on the options play. So again, not the best options player. MGTX, we know it'll run. I'm not gonna go balls deep. I'm gonna protect the P&L a little bit here, but I am gonna take 100 shares. So we're up 123 right now. CME has done us correct. It never went parabolic. It's just making some serious moves, and I've got $109,000 on the line to make $120. Now I'm gonna close out because that's what you do. You take a little profit, take that profit, get a little bit out of there. Rocket Labs, it's got 100 shares, right? It could hurt. It's not gonna. Now the 140. This is exactly where I was yesterday, and so somehow I lost. So Rocket Labs, what are we doing with you, sir? You are making higher highs, and I believe you're on a rocket ride. We just clapped out of our favorite stock, CME, today. Thank you for your contribution. It is welcomed for sure. PM, I can't believe you're not. You usually spot about 5 or 6 of these damn things going off. We got to pop off. I've got to get to the bottom here too. Not seeing a lot of grinding down. That's just bad going into the weekend. That gives you really no direction for Monday. CRE still grinding up. Kind of in a weird way though. CYTK, not gonna lie to you, it's probably gonna pop off. One of the few that might. FGN, we saw him yesterday. It popped off for about a minute. It's directionally bearish now. Not good. Now we are. Oh no, here we go. We got space turning up. We got CLNE turning up. All negative still. Not gonna mess with them yet, but I'm telling you, they could run because we've got about 30 minutes left of the session here. Having a good day. We're up 140. I don't know when you couldn't call that a good day, especially for what, 30 minutes of trading. So market is up big, but is directionally bearish. FRSK wants to run. It has turned sideways. It's up 13%, but I can see it turning up. Financials are up today. Consumer staples are up today. Energy is up today, and real estate is up today. And that's why my it looks like a lot of my options are doing well because they're financials and a lot of energy type stocks, if you would, right? For sure, crude. But anyway, off we go, and down the table we go. That is RKLB. Are we still in that up 13? It's doing me right. I mean, I can't jump out of it yet, right? But you just know it's going to happen. Why is AVTE such a B today? Good Lord. Get off of my P&L. And AVAN, I'm not sure what it's doing. It's got not a lot of volume, tough to see. On the 2, give me a 10. So you think it's going up, right? But with the the kind of heavy trade that we're doing, I'm gonna jump out of Rocket Labs. Although did I jump out? I think I did jump out. All right, we're gonna close this one as well. All right, we are up 140 today. That is pizza for everybody. So the beer today. What's a good beer today? We need one. We need one. We had Busch Lone Star. Give me a crap beer that you used to get kegs for back in the day. CME's still going off. Good gosh. But no, actually it's not going off. Thought it might go off. All right, let's make the eyes bleed. As we roll through all these charts, I'm not kidding you. There's a lot of red stocks, again, negative stocks turning up. Now, whether they get to positive in 24 minutes is going to be something to behold, but we will see. REGI wants to run. It got turned down at the tower, did the pivot at the intraday high. If you don't know what that means, to clear the tower is to clear the intraday high. It's just kind of a YOLO hour, whatever. YOLO hour talk is what it is. You could call it a synonym, maybe. PBR. Are you talking about the beer? You are talking about the beer. PBR is a shit beer. It is. Let's go with the Pabst Blue Ribbon. I would even tell you like the original Coors, but we're gonna go with PBR. PROG one. I'm holding for a few weeks. Yeah, the beer. PBR. I've never. Well, I can't say I've never, right? Because I've done a lot of stuff. Probably didn't know I was drinking it, but I can't recall me drinking a PBR. I'm not gonna lie to you. Whether it was a keg or a buddy's 12 pack, even back in the day. I don't drink beer now, but certainly back in the day, right? How's my we are also live on TikTok if you guys on YouTube did not know. So they're hearing the voice and they see me in the smaller screen, much like you guys do, but it's a little bit I don't know. It's a little bit hoorah, if you would. Step. Look at Step. Can it turn up? Stepstone Group, what do they do? We've got decent volume there. It's not the worst stock for sure today. It's not. It could be better, as they all could. PBR. Pabst Blue Ribbon. You know what? I think I have had that. I probably had that at like a, let's just call it, like I used to hit, so we're in Texas, right? So I never was a, like a cowboy or a shit kicker is what they like to say here. But I did hit the country bars occasionally. Could do a little two-step, a little pretzel if you would. Don't, I hate to flex, but yeah, I can do that. But back in the day, we used to hit those probably once a week, especially when I was real young, because I don't know, there were a lot of women, single, could have been married, but for the most part, single. And what is this MGTX turn back? Did I get a fill on MGTX? I'm up 142. I'm holding at 142, which is not bad to hold. I'm holding gains. Unlike yesterday, I got up 120 and somehow I ended up literally 440 down. So look at AVAN. Is it still going off? No, it turned. Avante. Avante's one of my favorite pizza restaurants going back about 10 years ago. It was literally right down the street from me, too, from my little condo where I lived back in the day. All right, what are we up here to? GBO looks like it's turned up. Still negative. Back to directionally bearish now, but still at 13. SLI is about to fly. It's about to spread those wings and say, hey, look at me. I want to rock it. I'm going to put the rocket skates on and hit it. Looking hard now as we go through here. Again, it's not real hard because there's a lot of red. What are the broad markets, the macro markets are doing? We got some, it's just directionally sideways. The Dow is now green. What's screwing the S&P and really the NASDAQ too is Google's down, 3? And Facebook's almost down 6. And Amazon's almost down 3. So if you were on me for Wish yesterday, I told you to watch out for Wish. Boxel, I think I did the same. Snap, never expected that. Spiegel on the call kind of screwed all the people who held Snap. Snap missed expectations, but then he goes forward and says we expect to miss fourth quarter because of revenue, because Apple did what they did in the Apple store. They well, it's not the Apple store. It was that they could not target. That's what it was. Could not target the advertiser. PTPI. We saw PTPI yesterday, and this morning it was killing. Oh yeah, PTPI. Nice. Good find. I wish I had seen it sooner. It looks like it might be turning back. I'm not gonna go just balls deep, but I'm going deep into this one. Like it. Good job, PM. You're the man, brother. By the way, I gave out a hat on Wednesday. So whoever has the best day today, you get a hat. You do have to be a member of StockTrade.tips Telegram. Then you just need to DM me, and I will actually send you a hat, a little trade heavy hat in the mail. I'll show you that towards the end, but it's a nice little hat. I'll tell you that. Look at Rocket Labs, just the grind on 100. We're up 151. Why would I? That's the 1 minute. I'm gonna jump out of Rocket Labs before it just collapses. Why? Because it's done that to me before. Rocket Labs is not what it's all cracked up to be. PTPI burning up, just continued up on the 1 minute. Clearly, all these are going to be the same. Need the 2 minute though, and off we go. PTPI, it's a pharmaceutical company, must have gotten some great news, or it had an insider. I think I saw them on an insider before. MLI, you might check them out too. MLI right now could be straight up. In fact, I'll check them. What was it? MLI? Yep, Mueller. No, but I am going to. But you see what happened there, right? Literally, as it came out, boom, you got a 3% pop as people found out that an insider bought, and that's what you normally see. Comms. Let's get on comms here. I'm about to get a little crazy with it though. Sovereign holding. What the F is that? Give me 100 here. Let's go. I'm not saying we're going balls deep, but that's not a bad. No, it's gonna be the fill here. The 1 minute's looking good. The 2 minute clearly is looking good. If the 1 minute looks good, the 2 minute looks good. If the 2 minute looks good, the 3 minute looks good. Yes. Look at that candles, baby. Boom. How do we miss that? Comms. I need to get in on that one. Is it COMS? How am I missing that? Comms Sovereign. What's the kind of huge volume? That's a keeper. Way to go, PM. You are in the lead for the trading, or it just says trade heavy hat. I'll reach back behind me just a second. Let me roll down here really quickly. Get to the bottom. Look at this. RKLLB. I had to shut you down, but thank you very much for your contribution today. It was been a great day for you. It was not a head fake. CME still grinding up. CME is what is that? That's CBOE is what I'm thinking of. I'm not sure what CME is, which tells you how much I know about every 500 stocks here. TCAT nothing. SXTC is off. Well, was off to the right. Looks like it's pulled back now again. I did get back in the same stock 3 times yesterday. That could be the problem because it was fun, and then there was another. Oh, Land's End. Land's End popped off yesterday, and I never really caught it. You can look at View there, but View's got it's got a pivot on it, and it's really not popping off. I'm sitting here on it. No. I'm going to protect a little bit today. Going to play a little bit of defense. But if I see one going parabolic with the green morning wood, boom, we'll jump on it. But right now, I got to have a good setup here. Not just a grinder, not just it's going sideways and it could pop off. No, OCGN, who had the OCGN? You are right about that one. Where'd the OCGN go? Dominic had the OCGN. It's about to pop. It goes positive. We will jump back in. RLAY looks like now it's on a huge grinding binge. Just chewing back through that supply. Let's see what else. Comms is still pointed up like the morning wood. How am I down in PTPI? It took a crap. It just literally went to the outhouse. Good Lord. Just took a dump. Although Comms is making up for it though. We're up 150. What's my best day so far? I want to say didn't I do 250 one day? Was it 300? Whatever it was. We had yesterday, it wasn't a teal, it was Jared. Jared did 450 yesterday, boys and girls. He sure did. And that's pretty good hour, 450. I think Fun is where he made his money at. So we hadn't seen Walker in a while. Walker trades heavy. He must be in meetings for a Hive. If you didn't know, he owns Hive, HIVE, which is a mining stock on the Canadian exchange. Now B-Cell wants to run. You just know you got to get in, right? I mean, come on. B-Cell we know has it's got. I'm about to go crazy. This could be the dumbest move I've ever done right here. I just went balls deep in B-Cell, and I just got it down on the 1 minute. Comms is at the 850. What is Comms doing? It is. Yeah, it's coming down. We need to get out of that one. I'll take my pride and suck that one up. B-Cell got a decent fill. Let's see what it's going to do, though. That might be a dumb A move, going 500 deep. B-Cell, there's the 10. Now, as it goes up, I'm going to jump out. I'm going to close out 400 because I don't trust it. We'll we'll close out the 400. We'll keep 100 shares and play a little defense here. I tell my kid all the time, sometimes when you're up big, you just got to play a little defense. Now, Rocket Labs is wanting to go big, but I am going to go balls deep in something else. I just need the right setup here, boys and girls. Comms, PM, great call, man. PTPI, not your fault, just turned out. Now, REGI, it wants to clear, it could not clear the tower. Renewable Energy Group has decent volume, wants to move, could move on the good news of the congressional bill. They're going to print like a $1.5 trillion on a Thursday. It's crazy how our politicians can spend print $1.5 trillion and say we're going to give it to this and this. It's crazy, unbelievable. The older you get, and I'm 40-ish, I'm telling you, you kind of like the gridlock in Congress, right? You want to get things done, but it should be hard. It should be hard to change S, right? You just don't want to willy-nilly stuff in the game of our economy, although that's kind of what it feels like sometimes. Now look at AMTX. AMTX is now positive. Should I jump in? I should not. But that is, if it was still going, dang, its volume's down today. Amitas. It's Lebanese. Just letting y'all know. FYI, that's what I call it. Lebanese, right? I didn't say Archimedes. That'd be Greek. I said anyway. Moving on. Just so you know your vocabulary. Step still grinding hard. ENDP can't really figure out what it's doing today. Do I want to be positive? Do I want to be negative? Do I want to choose violence? Whatever it may be, it needs to figure it out. Now we're moving down here through here. I saw I got to the bottom yet. CLPR. I'm going to take your word for it. Just jump in. Well, I'm not going to do that. CLPR. I can't do that. A realty company? What's up? All right. I'm going to go 100 deep. What's up? It's not the shallows, but I wouldn't call it the deep end. About in the middle. Show me a little something. I don't think it's cleared the tower yet, but it's close. That's all that really matters here, right? It's close. So I'm gonna keep rolling through here. Look at my options still. I'm kind of proud of the grind up. That's how you SNDX, guys. Look at SND. There we go. Now we know SNDX will run. SNDX. Let's wait on out there. 100 shares. We are 8 minutes till the close. Gosh, this has gone long, guys. This has gone so fast. Maybe it's just because I like to talk. I don't know. But I literally thought we were about 40 minutes in. I didn't know we had 8 minutes left. So literally 18 minutes longer than what I thought. Clearly, I'm a mathematician. We got a good fill. We got a nice, now B-cell, what's up? On the 1 minute, B-cell's not really moving. I'll take my toys and go home there and tell him thank you very much for his contribution today. We're looking at Syndax and CLPR. Did I just see that? Yes. Sorry. I was looking at another... The other chat, sorry. Clipper Realty, never even heard of that one. But hey, I don't really care. I like to buy at A, and we like to sell at B. And the hope is that B's a little bit higher, right? That's it. That's all we're trying to do here. That's all really life is, basically. You start here, and you want to get to here. That's it. That's life, you know. It's how you get there. Little bit different for everybody. But for the most part, I would tell you that everybody has their chances. It's just whether you take them or not, right? I can tell you this: I missed out on a lot of chances. A lot of these MBAs like to call that opportunity cost, right? I'm doing this, so I didn't do that, so I lost out, right? When I should have been doing that. That's the opportunity cost, right? So what are you doing today that you know you should be doing something else? That's opportunity cost, right? You basically cost yourself money, cost yourself time. Time is not fine. Oh, look at Tell. Woo! What do we got? 356. I'm gonna say it's cleared. Tell. Tell. Should I go deep and just ruin my P&L? I'm not going hard, but I'm going hard enough. It's definitely got the parabolic wood. For lack of a better term, it's got a little bit of stiffy. But what I like to see here is, let's see, Napa, grinding. So let's go here through real quick. We got 6 minutes left in the session. And what we'd like to do, actually after the session, yesterday we were all, RKLB is grinding up, guys. I'm telling you, that may be a stock on Monday. I don't know what the catalyst is there. But it's been, this whole week, it's been pumped two or three times. CME is now directionally bearish, but it's just a pivot and a little bit of a pullback. So a little bit of profit taking there is all that is. Looking through here, making my eyes bleed. Regi, that son of a gun. Now that is an interesting. It cleared the tower. Hang on. Yeah, it cleared the tower good. It just did not go very far. The renewables. So here's the deal. The ESG section, guys. If you're looking at ESG ETFs, I mean, I don't want to discourage you, but they just have not done well. Look at ESGC. What is going on? EGSC. Now we know it'll write EGSC. We just got in on it. I can't get a fill. ESGC. Let's go. Give me some of that. Give me a little bit of that going into the close. Clipper doing really well for us. Boom, PM. Nice. Syndax, I'm going to just say thank you for your contribution of your $1. And we're going to call you a day. That was my call. Got a great fill in ESGC. It is on, I'm on the 1 minute. The 2 minutes phenomenal. Clearly, if the 1 minute is. Momo, we're looking at some we're going to FOMO into Momo. Let's see what it's got. What is Momo? What in the world? That's Mom. You got to go to Momo. The Hello Group. It looks like it might be headed down. I'm not going to take too big of a position here. Tell partner, you going? What's up, playa? Here I find you. You know, you're a needle in the haystack. Damn, if you don't give me a look at ESGC. Somebody's getting rich. That's an 89, 90. We had it at 89. Sorry, 88. It's at 95. The fill was phenomenal on 100 shares. We're at 651, just like that. Boom. Gotta love that. We got 3 minutes until close. Tell, I'm closing out. Thank you for your non-contribution. Momo, not sure what to think about it. Good fill though. ESGC. I'm gonna let it run. It's on the 1 minute. Oh, there it goes. Damn it. I knew it. It was gonna sell off. I will take my $4. Damn it. Go back up. Get me out of that. I'm at 156. Clipper's done well. Clipper's done very well. The Clipper reality. We're at 157. Can I get to 200? Momo is not filling. Do we see anything else, PM? Come on, Kimberly. Jump in here. Find me. We got to like my kid says, got to come home. He said, Dad, I got to get that magic today. And that's a theme that he has when he comes home, because he's chasing this girl that's got these funky shoes, right? You know, the sequin shoes. That's what he calls the magic. He's chasing the magic is what he said. That's basically what we're doing here, right? We're just grown-ups, right? He's 3. So that should tell you something. You really don't know much. CNDX, CTMX. Look at it, CTMX now. CTMX. PM has done me well today. Oh yeah. Give me go balls deep just to see if we get to 200. We got a red candle though on the 1 minute. The 2 minute looks strong still. CTMX has got me $5. Can it move here? Can it move? We're at 5. It's up 4% is all. So, and it's starting to move. And we are 1 minute out from close. CTMX. Oh, it could get me to 200 right here. What's up? Momo, I'm going to call it a day for you. I appreciate your 50-cent contribution. Thank you very much. Clipper, you have been great. Been a phenomenal soldier today. Take the day off tomorrow. CTMX, I need you to move. I need you to do a little bit more here. We got about 30 seconds. I'm at 179, partner. Did we just crap out? Did we just go? We did. Nice. Nice. Let me close my positions so I can relish in my. I don't know. I think this is probably my. It's a top 5 finish for me. I'm not gonna lie. Top 5 finish. Now the thing about it was though, I was a little bit defensive, right? And I shouldn't. That's not what YOLO Hour is about. But I was a little bit defensive, and that happens, right? So closed out. I'm only down $63 on the day on the options. I really need to get back up to them just to see what's going on. XLF, which is financials, copper's down, FCX is down, and my USLs are printing. So those are for January though. So all right, nice. Very good day. Let's see what we finished up at. NASDAQ just had a shit show of a day. Reason why, again, Google, Amazon, Facebook, all down big, especially Facebook, right? Because of Snap. And then you got Apple that, it does its thing. It just didn't move up. Microsoft, the same thing. And then Intel was down. So you would think the S&P would be way off, but it's not. It's only off $4. So, or sorry, excuse me, 4 points. So, all right. Snap is still down 26. It did not even get any gains at all today. Fun finished up almost 500%. One thing you need to know about Fun, guys, as I move we're sideways here, guys. Sorry. One of the things that you got to know about Fun has gone 500% before. $500 before. So it knows how to party. I'm not gonna lie to you. It knows how to party. And for the most part, what just happened to my TikTok here? Let me get the live back. There it is. Did I pause it? I don't know. Get the live back. With that being said, guys, on YouTube, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here. It's been a heck of a day. Pretty good day for the Maddox man. PM, hit me up. Give me a DM on Telegram, and I'll get you a trade. Here's the hat. You want to see it? It's going to look. You want the white one, or you want? Do I have a black? Or I got a size up hat. Look right here. As I knock over ass right here. What do you want? You want the trade heavy hat, or you want the size up gray hat? It's up to you. You let me know in the DM on Telegram. Just let me know, and it is yours. So. That being said, YouTube, I appreciate you guys. Kimberly, always a pleasure. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your comments as well on the other videos. Joseph, boom. Love you, brother. Thanks for being here. Dominic, always a pleasure as usual. Jared, thank you very much. Who else we got? PM, you know what to do, and I appreciate your contribution today. I want to say it's like the 4th or 5th best day. So thank you very much. You're awesome. You guys have a phenomenal weekend. It's going to be nice here. I hope it's nice where you're at. And with that being said, peace out. Watch your 6. You go hard in the paint, and we will see you Monday. I'm here all next week. We'll see you.